Nothing is evil in the beginning. And there was a time when the world was so young, there had not yet been a sunrise. But even then, there was light.
Well, is it finished yet? Even you couldn't possibly believe that old scrap would float. I told you it wouldn't float. Get off me!
Lose your footing again, Galadriel.
It was a good ship, sister.
I made it just as you taught me.
The darkness of the water is vast and irresistible. The ship feels the darkness as well, striving moment by moment to master her and pull her under. But the ship has a secret. For unlike the stone, her gaze is not downward but up, fixed upon the light that guides her, whispering of grander things than darkness ever knew.
But sometimes, it's hard to say which way is up and which way is down. How am I to know which lights to follow?
Sometimes we cannot know. But you must learn to discern them for yourself. I won't always be here to speak them to you.
You won't?
Come along. Mother and Father are waiting.
We had no word for death, for we thought our joys would be unending. We thought our light would never dim. So when the great foe Morgoth destroyed the very light of our home, a legion of elves went to war.